Finishing a basement in new home construction requires strict egress compliance and proactive moisture control to create safe, comfortable living space. Start by planning egress before any framing or slab work, so window locations, well dimensions, and escape routes meet local code requirements. Install egress windows sized and positioned to provide a clear opening large enough for an adult to exit and for emergency access. If the window is below grade, pair it with a properly sized window well that has a permanent ladder or steps and drains to the site drainage system. For moisture control, apply a continuous waterproofing membrane to foundation walls from the footing to grade and route a perimeter drain to a sump pump with a battery backup to prevent flooding during power loss. When framing, use a thermal break, such as rigid foam board, against the concrete before stud framing to protect insulation and reduce condensation on cold surfaces. Then insulate framed cavities with fiberglass or mineral wool for acoustic and thermal performance. Finish surfaces with mold-resistant gypsum board or cement board in higher moisture areas and choose closed-cell spray foam in sealing gaps around penetrations to control airflow and radon intrusion. Ensure heating and cooling extend to the basement with properly sized ducting, take-off registers, and a dedicated return path, and install egress-rated lighting and hardwired smoke and carbon monoxide detection tied into the home system. Common mistakes include delaying egress planning until after excavation, which forces costly rework and possible non-compliance. And the simple fix is to coordinate window and well locations with the foundation contractor during the design phase. Another frequent issue is inadequate moisture control, where builders rely only on interior sealants and paint. The remedy is an exterior waterproofing membrane, perimeter drainage, and a sump with backup to manage groundwater. A third problem is underheating or poor ventilation leading to cold, damp finishes. Solve this by extending HVAC, balancing airflow, and adding controlled mechanical ventilation or a heat recovery ventilator to maintain air quality. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for basement finishing and lists project examples and contractor profiles so we can match needs to available skills. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors and homeowners connect for successful basement upgrade projects.